Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix a broken WordPress plugin that's causing errors or crashing your site. Don't worry, it's usually an easy fix. First, if you can still access your dashboard, go to Plugins, find the plugin that's causing issues, and click Deactivate. Check if your site starts working again. If it does, that plugin is the problem. You can try updating it or reinstalling the latest version to see if that resolves the issue. If you're locked out of your dashboard, log in to your hosting control panel or connect through FTP. Open the WP content folder, then go to Plugins. Rename the folder of the broken plugin, for example, add "-disabled" at the end. This will automatically deactivate it and restore your site access. Once your site is back online, delete the faulty plugin and reinstall a compatible version or find an alternative. And that's how you quickly fix a broken WordPress plugin without losing control of your website. Subscribe the channel for more videos.